Hello, friends. Welcome to Washington Leadership Academy's Makerspace, and I am your host, Janet. I'm the Director of Maker Experiences here at WLA, and I'm really excited to talk to you guys about the Unity Project. This is a really special way that we can be far apart, but doing something collectively together through making. And so everybody should have received some awesome goodies in a Ziploc bag. These include a little tile. That's our Unity project concept. A little handout that has some instructions on it, and some paper, some cardstock, and some writing devices. These are your tools to start making. You don't need much, but you can do amazing stuff. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about the project. Basically, we want you to showcase who you are, what your skill sets are, things that you love to do, passions that you have, skills that you might be able to exchange with one another. And we want you to document that on your cards, so your strength tiles. So do this through writing, through drawing, through doodling, through whatever medium appeals to you. What you're going to do with that, here's mine, is you're going to make sure that it's nice and clean and crisp in Sharpie. And this is what you will take a photograph of, and then you will follow the instructions on the piece of paper included, and you will get those over to me. So now, I'm going into the corner so I can show you what kind of magic happens next. I'm going to go fast and furiously because there's just not enough time. Okay, so we're going to go File, Place. Oh boy, let's see if I can remember what random thing I saved my project as. I believe it's this one. Okay, great. So this is my tile that I had just talked to you about. It comes into this program called Adobe Illustrator. This is a really amazing program. We run it through some cool processes in here called image trace. Basically, it converts this from a picture of an image into a dynamic scalable vector graphic, or SVG file. So we'll go into all that stuff later at some point because it's really, really exciting and sort of the beginner steps to all things design. I'm gonna just make a couple adjustments here. Okay, cool. So once I get things where I like them, now this is great when you send me a picture that is super high contrast, really, really clear. So try to erase those pencil lines, and really strong lines are great. So that's why a Sharpie is included in your packet. So I will handle this part of things probably with a student in a higher grade that has done some of these programs with me before. But soon it'll be you. Woohoo! Okay, great. So this is now my scalable vector graphic. Okay, cool. Now it's giant, but that's fine. I can scale it because it's dynamic that way. And I'm just gonna put it over here for a second, and I'm gonna zoom in, to this guy. This is just a canvas board. It's just kind of a blank tile, kind of like the piece of paper that you guys got. It's just digital. So from here, I am going to reveal that I have sort of started this project. So essentially what we have is a concept of everybody having strengths together, but it's made of lots of individual pieces and parts. Now you can see that a few folks have sent me some drawings and words and pictures of things that they love. I know this one was me, but that's the golden ratio. I'm all about design. So those were some from me. And basically from here, I'm going to take my pieces and parts of my drawing and to some extent, I'm just gonna make this go really fast here. Scale some stuff, incorporate it into this giant mosaic is what this is gonna be. So we will have a laser cut project at the end of this. Now I gave you a little tile keychain in your packet to give you a context of what a laser cut project looks like. And Smells like it smells kind of good when it's wood. Other things smell weird, so just putting that out there. Okay, cool. So at any rate, I can't wait to get your strength tiles because this whole piece is going to start growing and building, and we're going to see how interesting and unique everybody in this class is, and then we will be able to laser cut this onto a piece of wood similar to this except much larger. So I wanted to just give you that sense of where this process goes. I'll make a little video of the laser cutter in action so you can see some more of the magic. I hope you guys have fun putting your tiles together. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out and contact me. All right, take care.